The themes chosen in the Oxford Theta product closely aligns with the suggested themes in the second editional language CAPS document, as well as the lesson plan developed by the DBE for the incremental implementation of African languages second editional languages programs. The themes also link to the themes prescribed in the Life Skills CAPS document. All of this serves to integrate learning for students into an easy and fun experience. The themes were chosen carefully so that the language and vocabulary can be recycled often and in that way learned. For example, themes such as me can be followed by my family, my school, etc. Similar themes and topics are repeated and extended in the higher grades. Themes are planned in such a way that it produces language and development for use in social interaction in school and beyond. Lesson plans in the teaching notes for the first reader are very detailed, with the lesson plans for the remaining ones less so. The same patterns are followed for each reader. The themes are incorporated throughout all the items in the classroom pack. The reader with the chosen vocabulary words will be centered around the themes. In addition, resource materials such as flashcards, posters, rhymes, and songs are all developed within the themes.